Are you tired of hitting snooze every morning and struggling to wake up early? Do you want to become a morning person and start your day with purpose and productivity? In today's fast-paced world, we're bombarded with distractions and our sleep is often compromised by late-night work, social media, and Netflix binges. This makes it harder than ever to wake up early in the morning and start our day with purpose and productivity. But fear not, because in this video, we'll be sharing the 5 proven ways to rise at 4 a.m. every day. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or simply seeking personal growth, these tips will help you develop the discipline and mindset for success. And that's not all, we have a bonus tip on the end of this video that will take your morning routine to the next level. This game-changing technique will allow you to accomplish more in a few hours than most people do in an entire day. So, if you're ready to take charge of your mornings and transform your life, give this video a thumbs up and let's dive in. Here are the 5 proven ways to rise at 4 a.m. every day. Number 1. Create a sleep schedule. One of the best ways to wake up early every day is by creating a consistent sleep schedule. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your body craves consistency, and by following a regular sleep schedule, you'll train your body to naturally wake up at the same time every day. But it's not just about when you go to bed and wake up, it's also about practicing good sleep hygiene. This means creating an environment that promotes good sleep, such as keeping your bedroom cool and dark, using comfortable bedding, and avoiding electronics before bed. By creating a consistent sleep schedule and practicing good sleep hygiene, you'll be setting yourself up for success in waking up early and feeling rested and energized for the day ahead. Number 2. Limit screen time before bed. One of the biggest problems that prevent people from falling asleep quickly and getting a good night's rest is their electronic devices. The blue light emitted from your phone, tablet, or laptop can disrupt your circadian rhythm and suppress the release of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. So, it's important to limit your screen time before bed and avoid blue light exposure as much as possible. To do this, try to create a no-screen zone in your bedroom. Leave your phone and other electronics outside of your bedroom, or at least out of arm's reach. Instead, try reading a book, listening to calming music, or practicing meditation before bedtime to help your mind and body relax. By reducing your screen time and avoiding blue light exposure, you'll be able to fall asleep faster and sleep better throughout the night. And if you want to take it to the next level, try using blue light blocking glasses or installing blue light filters on your electronic devices to further reduce your exposure to blue light. Number 3. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Our bodies crave routine, and by establishing a consistent bedtime routine, we can signal to our brain that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Try to establish a relaxing and calming routine before bedtime that suits your personal preferences. This could include taking a warm bath or shower, practicing gentle yoga or stretching, reading a book, or listening to calming music. In addition, practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation can help you reduce stress and anxiety, and promote a better quality of sleep. By incorporating these techniques into your bedtime routine, you'll be able to fall asleep faster, sleep more soundly, and wake up feeling refreshed and energized the next day. Number 4. Have a compelling reason to wake up. One of the most important factors in waking up early is having a compelling reason to do so. This reason could be anything from wanting to exercise before work, having extra time to work on a side project, or simply enjoying some quiet time before the chaos of the day begins. Whatever your reason, make sure it's something that motivates you and gets you excited to jump out of bed in the morning. Number 5. Be consistent. One of the most important things you can do to wake up at 4 a.m. consistently is to be consistent with your sleep schedule. Our bodies are designed to function best with a consistent sleep and wake cycle. That means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, including weekends. But, how do you adjust your sleep schedule to wake up at 4 a.m. when you're used to sleeping in until 7 or 8? It's important to make gradual changes. Start by setting your alarm just 15 to 30 minutes earlier each day and gradually increase the time until you reach your desired wake-up time. consistency is key when it comes to waking up earlier every day. It may take some time to adjust to a new sleep schedule, but it's worth it. Once your body gets used to waking up at the same time every day, you'll find that you have more energy, are more productive, and feel better overall. Bonus: the 10-minute rule. Have you ever heard of the 10-minute rule? It's a simple but effective technique that can help you get out of bed in the morning without hitting snooze over and over again. Here's how it works: when your alarm goes off, give yourself 10 minutes to slowly wake up and stretch in bed. This can help make waking up in the morning less of a sudden shock and more of a gradual process. But here's the catch: after those 10 minutes are up, it's time to get up and start your day. No snoozing allowed. This can be tough at first, but over time, you'll start to feel more energized and ready to tackle the day ahead. The 10-minute rule can also help you establish a consistent sleep schedule by giving you a specific time to wake up every day. Also, it can prevent you from feeling tired and disoriented caused by repeatedly snoozing the alarm. So, if you're struggling to get out of bed in the morning, give the 10-minute rule a try. It's a simple but powerful technique that can help you start your day on the right foot. Now that you know the 5 best ways to wake up at 4 a.m. every day, it's time to put them into action. Remember, it takes time and discipline to develop a new habit, so be patient with yourself and don't give up if you slip up from time to time. With consistency and commitment, you'll soon find that waking up at 4 a.m. becomes second nature, and you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish before the rest of the world even wakes up. We hope that this video has inspired and motivated you to start your day with purpose and productivity. Leave a comment below letting me know what you struggle with the most, what you're working on the most, and what has helped you the most. Your feedback will help me create more valuable content for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Motivation to Success, for more tips and inspiration on personal growth and success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.